Okay, thank you. See you. Oh, got a big project with hundreds of devices. Let's celebrate. Managing video from hundreds of devices, different brands in the early stage, plus all the fiber wiring. It's a real headache.
That's not a problem at all.
Really?
The VMS6100 video management platform, independently developed by Jovision, can solve it for you fast.
Okay.
Designed for LAN environments, it enables integrated management of local video, including centralized monitoring, decoding to wall displays, local storage, and AI-powered analysis. No channel or brand limits. If your PC is strong enough, you can hook up unlimited cameras.
Can it connect cameras from other brands, not just Jovision?
Yes. As long as the recorders or cameras support the on-wave protocol, they can all be integrated and managed via VMS6100.
That's really powerful. Totally fits my needs. So how much does it cost?
It's completely free.